Hi, quick video to show you something that we've got coming up in the next TaxCalc release, and also a quick overview of our launcher and dashboard, and a little bit into Practice Manager as well for those of you that might not have seen it before. So in front of me we've got the launcher. This can take you straight into any of the products within the integrated TaxCalc suite. If you click dashboard, then you'll have the dashboard view that you can add any number of different widgets. That gives you a temperature check on everything that's going on in the practice, particularly popular with people that use tasks and jobs in Practice Manager Plus, because you can really see what's going on with tasks assigned to you or across the whole practice, and you can launch into any of the products on the left hand side. Personally, I tend to use the launcher and go straight into the particular product that I need to work on. If you go into Practice Manager, you're presented straight away with a list of all your clients, and I tended to use this list for a bit of a temperature check, because out of the box you get the client code, client name, client type, which you can sort. So I'd often drill that down into individuals or companies, whatever the client type might be that I'm interested in. But actually I also use these column views, because you don't need to just stick with the default 3 columns that we've got there. You can add any number of different columns to give you information on your clients that you want to see on a day-to-day basis, and you can actually save different types of views, so you can switch between them. So you might want to at one point just look at your status view, you might want to look at jobs view, task view, whatever it might be. I keep things quite simple, so I've got a status view, and that's the default view that I would always use, and it's the same first 3 columns, but I've added in the tax status and the latest account status, so I can just see quite easily. I can scroll down my client list, see what's in progress, what's finished, whatever the status might be. But what we've added in the next release is the ability to data mine into that quickly and easily from this More Filters option up here. So if we click on that, we go straight into the Data Mine Wizard. We use it in a number of areas in the software suite. It's one of my favorite bits of functionality, because you can drill down into specific clients, not having to look at everything on the one screen. You can also save any data mines. So if you're finding that you're very often narrowing down to a subset of clients, whatever the reason might be, whether it's just looking at them on screen, or whether it's to generate a mailing list or send out some communications, generate a report, you can always save your data mine and then reuse it. So some of the things I might do in here is perhaps just look at work status. So if we go to the tax return work status and use that as a condition, I can just basically give myself a quick list of all my clients, whatever the status. So for example, records received. Have we got any clients in that we've received the records but we've clearly not progressed on to starting the job? Let's run that. Okay, I can see I've got 5 clients there where we've got the records, we're seemingly good to go, but no one started the job yet. So I can look on there and see who's responsible for these clients. It's Sarah Miles. Perhaps Sarah's away on holiday at the moment, or I can give her a nudge and find out why those jobs not yet started. Other uses, perhaps I just want a better understanding of what software my clients are using, or how many I've got. Maybe I'm thinking of running a training session. I just want a quick idea before I go off and start creating a kind of standard message template and whatever that might entail. Let me just get a kind of feel for what software people are using. So perhaps I can just look for the bookkeeping software field, choose that. Let's see how many clients have I got that are using Xero, for example. There we go. I can see I've got 8 clients there that use Xero within my practice. So it's just a quick and easy way to get a snapshot of clients that you're working with without going to generating a proper report, or creating a mailing list, or creating a template communication, which is probably the next step in the process. So there you go. You've got launch, you've got dashboard, and you've got the client list overview.